Many people think that if they say the right words, use the right tone, or follow all the right rituals, God will be pleased. They believe prayer is a performance, a way to prove their devotion. But here's the truth. God doesn't care about your showmanship. He cares about your heart. The Bible is full of examples where God looked beyond appearances. Take Samuel's story with Eli in 1 Samuel 16. The Lord told Samuel, "Do not consider his appearance or his height, for the Lord does not see as man sees. For man looks at the outward appearance, but the Lord looks at the heart." That's a game changer. God sees what's real, the intentions, the honesty, the sincerity, not how polished your words sound. Think about Jonah in the belly of the fish. He wasn't performing prayers in a temple, kneeling on marble floors, or reciting perfect formulas. He was desperate, frightened, and trapped, and God heard him. God responded because Jonah's heart was genuine. Or consider David. He wrote the Psalms, pouring out raw emotion, grief, anger, joy, fear, not always elegant words, but always authentic feeling. God didn't reject his cries because they weren't perfectly phrased. The heart behind the prayer mattered far more than the words. Even Jesus calls it out in Matthew 15. He criticized the Pharisees for their empty rituals, for honoring God with lips while their hearts were far away. True devotion is internal. It's real. It's heartfelt. So what does this mean for you? It means that when you pray, don't stress about sounding right or doing everything correctly. Speak honestly. Speak vulnerably. Let your heart guide your words. If you are broken, afraid, joyful, or confused, bring that before God. He wants your truth. And here's the beauty of it. When God sees your heart, your prayer becomes powerful. You don't need fancy words. You don't need long speeches. You don't need to impress anyone. What matters is connection, authenticity, and surrender. Next time you pray, ask yourself, am I speaking to God, or am I performing for Him? The answer will change the depth of your prayer. God already knows your struggles, your fears, and your desires. He wants to hear you in your real state, not your rehearsed, filtered version. Let Him see your heart, fully and honestly, and watch how your prayers transform from ritual into relationship, from words into real spiritual connection. Let me know if you love this story and if a similar experience happened to you. Write down in the comments below, like and follow for more. Thanks.